Okay, read the question. You are given 75, okay, cm power 3 of 2.0 mole DM negative 3 nitric acid, and they put diluted. Diluted means when you already see this, diluted means you write down the formula of dilution. M1 V1 equal as M2 V2. Okay. When you see diluted or concentrated become diluted, all that, you all put the dilution formula. Understand? Understand? Okay, here you all put what? Before add water. And this one after add water. All right? Okay, okay, and look at the requirement of the question. They want you to define the acid. How to define the acid? So you guys put here 13. Okay, number one, they want the definition for acid. Acid is a substance that what? That ionizes in water. Water, and it's produced what? Produce, okay, hydrogen ion. Very simple. You take your 1 mark. Right? Okay, point number 2. Okay, those join now. You go to page number 11. We wait for other students, then we continue. Okay, dapat? Okay, when you see diluted saja, please write down the formula of dilution before and after. Okay, nah? Okay, after that, they want the state the color of litmus paper when acid. Acid means you must state what color. Okay, you must put red. Okay, litmus. Sorry. You must put what? Blue. Okay, litmus. Okay, litmus paper. Okay, turns what color? Turns red. Don't put turns red. I cannot. You all cannot write like this. Turns red wrong. Okay, must turns from blue. Okay, turns what? Turns red. Any question? Okay, okay, now we go for calculate the X value. Where is your X value? Okay, so read the question. When diluted, you punya kerja apa? Just put, okay, dilution formula. Okay, now they want you to do question number 2, right? So what you do here? M1 V1 equal as M2 V2. Before add water, after add water. Diluted mean you must use this formula. Okay? Any question? Okay, before you add water, what is the concentration? 2.0. What is the volume? Anyone? You see here from the question, what is the volume? Okay, 75. And okay, from the volume is given here. You all put lah here, dapat 75. Okay, M2 we don't know. That's why they put X. Or you can just represent with X. Okay, what is the volume after add water? So here they add 75 plus how much of volume of distilled water added? Okay, plus 25. So total? Okay, total 100. Now you guys find the X symbol. So 2.0 times 75 divide with 100, sorry. Calculator, find the answer. Okay, should be 1.5. What is the unit? You see here, the unit is given. So your unit mole, DM, -3. Any question? Okay, those at home, we still waiting for the friends all. So y'all just do lah. Okay, so far, any question? Okay, that means here, what you guys do here, the volume is 150 cm power 3. The concentration 1.5 mole DM -3. Keep this one. Okay, read the next question. In another experiment, they use 25 cm power 3 of nitric acid. So y'all put this is what? Your volume of acid. Y'all put volume of acid. React with 25 cm power 3 of 0.1 mole DM -3 of potassium hydroxide. This is volume of base. And this is, anyone? Molarity of base. 10. Dapat eh? Okay, I erase this, we do here. Okay, and when you see acid, okay, Sharwin, check here in this reaction, we take what? Acid react with potassium hydroxide is called what? Alkali. What is the name of the reaction? Neutralization, right? So first step, do equation. 5 marks, you know. Do the equation. All of you, those at home, please do the equation. Okay, how to do the equation? Nitric acid react with, what is the formula of potassium hydroxide? KOH. What product you guys will get? KNO3 plus water. Check the equation balance or not. Check potassium. Left and right. 1, 1. After you already check the potassium, you guys check the hydrogen. Here, how many hydrogen? 2. Here, 1 plus 1, 2. So the equation balance. Understand? Okay. And you know already this is what reaction? Neutralization, right? Write down the formula for neutralization. What is the formula for neutralization? MAVA over MB VB equal S and A and B. Understand? Put some effort and memorize. Can I? Okay, now apply in the formula. What is the volume of acid? So here you put MA, I don't know. Right? It's not given. Okay, what is the volume of acid? 25. Understand? Okay, divide. What is the molarity of alkali? 0.01. What is the volume of alkali? 25. Equal as? Okay, guys, how to find this? Anyway. From what? From the equation. Okay, equation tell you nitric acid 1. Okay, potassium hydroxide 1. Understand? Okay, so what is the molarity you will get? Cross silang saja, multiple ni A, MA darab 25. Ini bawah sini. So 0.01 times 25. Dapat, you want to find the MA 0.01 times with 25, divide with what? 25. Cancel, cancel. What answer? 0.01 mole DM negative 3. You guys already score 5 marks. Any question? Those at home, understand? Okay, now we go for chapter 8. Can? Okay. Yang lain semua belum masuk lagi. Mana yang lain? They know, right? Okay. Okay. Dekat rumah siapa dah copy angkat tangan? Hey, Amirul, join. Amirul, apa? Okay, I wish everyone to get well soon. Okay, wishing y'all a speedy recovery. Okay, those at home, saya dan juga kami pelajar-pelajar daripada 5 neuron, your friends all, kita doakan orang cepat sembuh. Okay? Hey, Nitisri. Cikgu Rani want to meet you, Okay? You MC, but that day you in IG, you put the dancing video. You want to take MC, quietly do lah. Okay. Quietly do lah. Cikgu Rani now want to meet you. Okay. Okay, now we go to chapter 8. Our class legend lah. Legend. Okay, now we go for chapter 8. Okay. So, see, okay. So this year SPM, we target alloy, So what is the definition of alloy? Very simple. Alloy, y'all put, alloy is a mixture. Dia campuran. Mixture of 2 or more. Okay, more elements. Elements in which, okay, the main element is a metal. You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, alloy is a mixture of two or more elements in which the main element is a metal. Very simple definition. Jangan salah dalam exam. Arwin, your friends all is there. The friends all in home. I want you all to wish, okay, a speedy recovery to them. Sore throat saja dah 4. Okay? Okay, ada yang fever, ada yang stomach pain. But among all this, the legend is who know? Nitisri. Okay? Dia
Sir, why,
fikir,
sir?
bahaya. Ni mama school ke. Ha? Okay. Okay, now page number 16. Okay, we do this. Alloy X. Okay, guys, remember this one. Very important, you know. Steel. What is the element's main metal? Yang depan adalah main element. Okay, iron is the main element. Plus, okay, this is called what? Foreign. Foreign atom. What is the foreign atom? Carbon. Minor atom, 1%. This is steel. One more, you guys remember stainless steel. Stainless steel, very simple, you know. You take everything. Put here. Okay, tambah 2 saja. Apa dia? Cr plus Ni. Chromium and nickel. That is stainless steel. Understand? Very simple definition. Okay, now look at this one. Here we have what? Iron plus carbon plus chromium plus nickel. So that means this is what? Okay, stainless steel. So the name, the alloy, you guys put what? Stainless steel. Then take 1 mark. Any question? Okay, state another uses of alloy in B1. So you go to B1, study, then go to the table. They use what? Spoon and fork. Okay, other than that, the stainless steel is used to make what? Very good. You put, guys, put what? Surgical instrument. Surgical instrument. Okay, done? Okay, can I? Okay, now I go for this one. All of you done, eh? Okay, I go for this one. Read this question. Read, eh? Okay, so compare the hardness. So you have to compare the hardness. Ini underline this. When you compare the hardness, you see here bronze and copper, right? Bronze and copper, right? Which one alloy? Alloy. Okay, the first point, they want you to do what? See this one. Compare the hardness. First point you compare. How to compare? Which one is more what? Which one is more harder? Bronze. So first point you do what? Bronze is harder. Then, okay, copper. Copper block. You take your 1 mark. So you already compare. Can you understand? Boleh? Okay, so you already score 1 mark. Okay, now you go to here, you guys write down. Okay, we have bronze. Okay, we have brass. These two must memorize. What is the main elements present in bronze? Copper. Minor later. This one also copper. Okay, now you all do what? Ini ambil Z. Okay, bronze, right? You put here Zn. Ini you ambil apa? Tin. Switch the place. Take the tin, put here. Take the zinc, put here. Bronze is made up of, okay, copper and what? This is called what? Tin. Brass is made up of copper and zinc. Dapat? If they ask you to draw, macam mana nak lukis? Both same drawing. Okay, put that. How to draw? Both same drawing. You draw one big circle like this. If let's say I want to draw for bronze. Okay, label, this is what? thin atom. Okay, and surrounded by thin atom, y'all put what? Y'all put copper atom. No need to fill up everywhere. We have two drawing, like this enough. And label this is what atom? Copper atom. You guys already do. Even brass also same. Brass and bronze same. Steel will be different. Understand? Okay, can I? This drawing belum pernah keluar. Frame, understand? Okay, now we do this. State the elements present in bronze. You guys put what? Copper, okay, and tin. Tin, y'all put atoms. Okay, your first point, you guys already compare, right? Second point, you all just focus on bronze. Tak perlu focus on copper. Okay, so second point, bronze is made up of, tengok sini, made up of what? Okay, you put here copper atoms and tin. Tin atoms of same or different size. You tengok here. The size same or not? Different. Of, put here, different size. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? Point number 3. Which atom kacau the orderly arrangement of, okay, copper atom? Anyone? This atom, you remember this atom buat apa? Kacau. Kacau what? Kacau orderly arrangement of copper atom. So you put here the presence of tin atom. Okay, disrupt the orderly arrangement of what atom? Copper atom. You already scored point number 3. Point number 4. The layer of atom will slide or does not slide? Does not slide over each other when force is applied. Therefore, they are strong. Okay. Last point. The layer of atoms in bronze, okay, does not slide over each other when, okay, force is applied. Finish. Therefore, they are other. But in copper block, they will slide over. Understand? Okay, you guys already score 4 marks. Okay, all of you ready? Done? Who's the online class? Okay, we see. Your buddy is there lah. Amirul is there. Huh? All is here. Africa also is here lah. Huh? Hey, no lah. They are not feeling well. Y'all jangan ni Y'all should wish them speedy recovery, no? Okay?
Sir, I'm studying at home, sir, from morning.
Huh? What, ma?
I'm studying at home from morning. I'm fine only.
Okay. Understand. As long as y'all asalkan orang bahagia lah. Okay? Okay, now look at this. Ini different bit, The drawing will be different. See, y'all can do not. Okay, again we do a mixture of two or more, okay, elements. Elements in which the main element is a metal. Okay, steel is made up of iron plus carbon. Iron size dia besar, 56 RAM. Carbon dia punya size kecil, 12 saja. Ini 56. Ini adalah berapa? 12, the RAM. Okay, can I? Okay, what is the main element of alloy Y is iron. Name the element that added to alloy Y. Jawapan kamu, carbon atoms. Because alloy steel is made up of iron plus carbon. Where is Yasmin all? Okay, draw the structure now. 1 minute to y'all draw. If y'all draw like this, correct or wrong? Okay, remember, this one, kamu hanya lukis untuk apa? Untuk bronze or brass sahaja. Understand? Cannot for steels. That's why you must memorize 3 diagrams. For this, how to draw? Okay, I do Okay, y'all draw iron atom like this. Jangan sentuh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bawah 1, 2, 3. Jangan sentuh semua size yang sama. Hey, they already know, they already put what? In the question, they already put mixture. It's not a compound. Okay, dah lukis. Label. This is what? Iron atom. Okay, where is your carbon atom? Carbon size kecil kan? So y'all put here. This is your carbon atom. Okay, label this. This is carbon atom. You guys already score 1 mark. Mine is not that perfect. Like this only, but make sure all not touch. They are closely apart. Okay, and the size should be accurate. Iron besar, carbon kecil. Okay, any question? Okay, done Okay, now we do this one. Glass. Okay, if in the exam they ask, what is the main composition of glass? Very simple, you know. Okay, your answer should be silica. Main composition, formula SiO2. Itu saja. Hafal. Dapat? Okay, done? All of you done? Hey, this year I changed the question because last year they asked heat of neutralization, thermochemistry, then straight away they jump to acid and base. So that's why I changed what? This one is your glass. This is your composite material. So kena faham benda ni. Okay, kamu tengok. It's made up of silica only. It has zero thermal expansion. Remain transparent when exposed to the sunlight. What is this glass? Okay, ini dipanggil sebagai what glass? Fused glass. Y'all don't know means write down. Okay, right. Glass pertama. Saya nak kamu hafal. Fused glass. Okay, fused glass is made up of SiO2 only. Tiada bahan lain. Understand? Okay, number 2. Remember the properties. I want you all to remember 2 properties saja. Properties number 1, it has high melting point. Properties number 2, anyone? It has zero, put that zero thermal expansion. Okay, what is this? Coefficient. What is this? Anyone? Zero thermal expansion coefficient means it will not crack under sudden change in temperature. Faham tak? That means it's very strong. Can understand? These two memorize. Okay, it is used in what? Laboratory. Okay, glassware. Okay, glassware. What are the glassware? Lens, microscope lens. Satu lagi, telescope. Telescope lens. Understand? I melting point, zero thermal expansion coefficient. So thermal expansion coefficient, I put like this, TEC. Boleh tak? Okay. Okay, can Okay, now we answer the, dah saling ke belum? Okay, dah. Okay, we answer this. Name the glass P, your answer should be fused glass. How you all know? From here. And second point, it has thermal, zero thermal expansion coefficient. State 1 uses. It is used to make what? Telescope lenses or lens lah. Any question? Dapat? Kena? Hey, second glass is known as what glass? Okay. Photochromic glass under what? Under superconductor pula. Under composite. Okay, listen. Under composite material. A composite material means two non-homogeneous substances are mixed together. One is called main substance. Dapat? Another one is called what? Strengthening substance. Okay, main substance and strengthening substance. Photochromic glass. Photochromic glass. Pernah tengok tak sunglass? Bila you berdiri dekat tengah cahaya matahari, it will turn into what? Black color. When you, during the night time, it will turn into what? Brighter. Your car tinted. Eye rising building window. Glass window. All made up of photochromic glass. Faham? What is the main substance? Anyone? Main substance. Main substance glass. What is the metric substance? Number 1. Silver chloride. Number 2. CuCl. What is CuCl? Copper 1 chloride. Copper 1 chloride. Main substance glass. Strengthening substance is what? Silver chloride and copper 1 chloride. It will be darkened during daytime, brighter during nighttime. Dapat? All of you understand, Abhishek done? Copy? Okay, it is used in sunglass. Dia tunjuk macam ni, not sunglass, it's a glass. It will do what? Daytime. Daytime become what? Darken. Okay, nighttime. Nighttime, it become what? Brighter. What is the function? Anyone? 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 What is the function of photochromic glass? If they ask in the exam. Okay, dalam sunlight ada satu ni. Don't put absorb. Jangan tulis absorb. Even in my buku, I write the wrong, You must put what? It will reflect UV rays. Then you can put what? Protect the user from UV rays. Baru betul. Reflect is very suitable word. It is also using in high rising high rising building windows. Dapat? Glass window lah, glass window. Any question, guys? Understand? Okay, those at home understand, huh? Okay, now we answer this question. Okay, state two strengthening substance in photochromic glass. Boleh tak saya tulis glass? Because glass is what substance? Main substance. So the two strengthening substance, you must put what? Silver, chloride, and one more is what? Copper, 1 chloride. Faham? Clear? Okay, state the advantage of photochromic glass. It will reflect UV rays. Okay, number one. The glass darken during daytime and become what? Brighter or clear? Clear, right? Okay, clear lah. I take Raif punya jawapan. Okay, it become clear or brighter during what time? During night time. Okay, your car tinted building, high-rising building glass window all. It's made up of photochromic glass. Any question? Okay. So far, understand? Okay, I give you 2 minutes to answer 5 objective questions. But PT Adianman is not feeling well at hospital. Okay? Is cough. That day also the fellow very what? Look very down. Okay, number one, what is mean by alloy? Okay, mixture of two or more compound. Okay, with specific composition where the main element, this one cannot. Compound cannot have mixture of two or more element with specific composition, main element D. Number two, which one match the users? Hey, brass is used to make what? Anyone? Very good. Brass is used to make door knob. Okay, key. Yeah, key, kunci. Hey, most important this one. Brass is used to make musical instrument. Okay. Bronze is used to make what? Monuments. Tugu Negara. Monument. The national monument is made up of bronze. And also is what? Medal, trophy. Okay. Stainless steel is used to make what? Kitchen, steel, surgical. Okay. Hey, answer, suitable answer is what? Duralumin, aircraft body, racing, bicycle. Bicycle frame, all that is made up of duralumin. Lightweight, very strong. Okay. Okay, we go for next one. Okay, once you see the lid, okay, can withstand high temperature. High temperature. This is what glass? Borosilicate glass. Okay, hey guys, I want you to write down the properties. What is the properties of borosilicate glass? Put there I and P. Borosilicate as I and P. Put there it has low thermal expansion coefficient. Dia boleh tahan apa? Sudden change in temperature. Corrosive, chemically inert. That's why you can pour acid alkali ore. Just remember two properties enough. Dapat? Okay, number 2. What is the main composition of fused glass? It contains silica only. Okay, this one is made up of what? Soda, lime, glass. Soda, lime, glass, boleh tak bagi properties? It has low melting and melting point. Okay, it has ITEC. What is ITEC? High thermal expansion coefficient. That means it will crack easily. Okay, one more. Can be remold. Boleh diacuan. You leburkan, you boleh tukar bentuk. And can be reused again. Understand? Which of the following glass can be reused again? Answer? Soda lime glass. Dapat? Okay, one more glass. Kita habiskan glass tu juga. Kena? That means glass finish lah. Sharwin, okay? Okay, one more glass. They show like this. Okay. Very expensive glass lah. Then ada corak. Kita letak corak apa? Okay, kita letak corak Niti Sri. Okay. And Niti Sri want to make a special corak for mother birthday lah. Okay, kena? Okay. This glass, okay, what glass? Okay, they will put like this, properties. It has refractive index. High refractive index. This glass is more what? More denser. It has, okay, lowest, paling rendah, lowest what? Melting point. It has very high. ITEC, cepat pecah. Jatuh sikit pecah. Okay. It also used to make what? Prisma and one more, crystal glass. What is the name of the glass? Lead glass. Understand? Dalam exam, dia bagi properties. You pilih sahaja. Any question? Right, okay, understand? Okay, we go for our next question. Guys, later for the class tambahan, they do what? I got Form 3 class. So what the cikgu used told me, she will enter your class, she will jaga you all finish up the module. Okay, na? 1:30 to, 12:30 to 1:30, right? What time you on?
1:30 until 2:30.
Okay, you all ask from the cikgu use. If cikgu use allow means you all can go back. Okay, kena? Okay, guys, can we do this SPM question? Ini kan SPM. Okay, tengok 2013 paper, real exam. Real exam, semua ni sama, tetapi I modify the question here. Can? It's a 2013 paper. Okay, y'all try first. Okay, railway track, they use what? Railway track. Huh? Railway track. Okay, remember this one. Write down there. Steel. Steel, iron plus carbon. is used to make what? Bridge. Steel is used to make bridge. Building foundation. Okay. And one more, they used to make what? Railway track. Okay, na? Okay, why? Because it is hard. Do not what? Do not rust. Can? Write down. What, why? No, they painted. Rust color. Because if let's say they use the gray color, reflection of light can kena mata orang ni, then it can cause what? Accident, all that lah. Okay. Okay, this is iron. Iron, this is called what? Steel. Okay, which one alloy? B is your alloy. State the atom X. So I put here number 1. I put here atom. X is what? Iron. 1 mark. State the type of material A. So I put here material A is your iron. Iron, you can put iron or iron block. Material B, you can put what? Steel block. You guys already scored 3 marks. Okay, now, how many marks is given? 5 marks, right? Point number 3. Explain in terms of arrangement of atom why material B is more suitable. Ada tak dia minta compare? No, right? Okay. How to compare? You already give the any example, right? Listening. Betul? You already mentioned this, right? In your explanation, use the actual example. Steel block. Because you already gave material B is what? Steel block, right? So first point, you guys put what? Steel is more other than iron. Ini satu markah. Jangan pergi tulis steel is more stronger. If you put stronger, what will happen? Wow. No marks. Okay, understand? Huh? More durable or cannot. You must put stronger or okay, other, sorry, other. Okay, done again. Now you already compare. Now focus on steel block only. So how to focus on steel block? Steel block are made up of what? Okay, iron atoms and carbon atoms, which same size or different size? Okay, which different. Put here different size. Okay, number 2. Point number 2. The presence of carbon atoms. Okay, describe the orderly arrangement of what atom? The main atom we call what? Iron atoms in steel. You already got 1 mark. Any question? Okay, next point. Anyone? Okay, the layer of atoms. The layer of atoms does not or difficult, up to you. Okay, or do not. Okay, do not slide over each other. Okay, each other. You already score 1 mark, you know. When what is applied? When cause is applied, you already got 1 more mark. Total 5 marks. Any question? So kita harap soalan essay this year for SPM, not your midterm. Midterm is y'all to test your understanding only. For SPM, kita harap alloy keluar untuk essay. Faham? You pergilah tengok alloy lama tak keluar. Saya setiap hari mimpi alloy akan keluar. Dia harap keluar. Again, now look at why. Each other when force is applied. Thus, steel is other than iron block. Itu tak payah tulis because you already right here. Understand? Any question, guys? Alloy, glass, all understand, right? Jangan salah. Okay, can I? Okay, after this, I go to ceramic. I want to finish up the ceramic also. Okay, look at this one. To make glassware and boiling tube. This is called what? Borosilicate glass. But can withstand high temperature. To make metal and statue. This is bronze. Okay. To make cutting disc and break disc. This is under advanced ceramic. And what is the name of the ceramic? Silicon carbide. What is the name of the ni? So ini saya padam. Saya tulis this is called what? Silicon carbide. MRI machine, McClure train. This is under superconductor. Conduct electricity with no resistance at very low temperature. Understand? Okay, so 4 markah sudah score. You letak je Y. YBCO. Superconductor is metal. Okay, kita habiskan superconductor again. Okay, put there superconductor. Okay, what is the substance made up superconductor? Jangan pergi tulis nama panjang tau. Y'all just put this one. YBCO. Enough. You already score 1 mark. Yttrium, barium, copper oxide. Jangan tulis nama panjang. Okay. Okay, understand? Okay, now, what is the properties of superconductor? Please remember 2 properties. Anyone? Right? What is the conductor? Okay, put there. Conduct electricity with no resistance. Okay, at very low temperature. Very low temperature. Mesti ada low temperature. Very low lagi bagus lah. Okay, one more properties. It has high magnetic force. Frame, superconductor is used in what? MRI machine, bullet train, McClure train, magnetic force. You can see in the Japan now. McClure train, all that. Can understand? This one cannot get wrong, Again. Why? No need to answer, no need to name. Just put this one enough. If you write the full name, confirm akan mistake punya. So in the exam, you put like this, you already score 1 mark. Understand? YBCO. Yttrium, barium, copper oxide. It's an alloy. Barium, copper oxide. Just write down YBCO enough. Make it simple. Okay, guys, any question? Oh, okay, now I go for ceramic. Can I? Very fast. Last part of this chapter. Okay, ceramic, we got one ceramic, we call what? Okay, before we go ceramic, what is ceramic? Definition kena hafal. Arwin, what is ceramic? Okay, ceramic means you all put what? Substance made up of, okay, very good girl, inorganic and non-metallic. Metallic what? Metallic substance. is made up through inorganic and non-metallic substance. That is ceramic. Sudah faham? All of you understand? Okay. Okay, now ceramic got two types. One is called what? Traditional. Okay, traditional ceramic. Traditional ceramic, right? If they ask, give me example of traditional ceramic, you put what? Clay, tanah liat. Or you can put what? Kaolin, aluminosilicate. Understand? Just put clay or kaolin. Okay. What is the properties of traditional ceramic? You put what? Hard and strong. Hard and strong. One more. Okay. Heat and electrical what? Electrical insulator. Then next one, you put what? Chemically inert. You boleh tuang acid like ni. Gold is used to make what? Bowl, all that. What is the uses of ceramic traditionally? Okay, it's used to make what? Bricks. It's also used to make what? Bowl, vase, okay, tiles. Understand? So in the bowl, you can use for acid, alkali, all. It can withstand the chemical reaction. Okay, any question? Okay, number 2. Sarwan, okay? No worries, I'm doing recording. Okay, next one. Next one is called what? Advanced ceramic. Advanced ceramic, they use the ceramic and they add other components, strengthening component to strengthen the ceramic. Dapat? Okay, kalau dia tanya advanced ceramic, what is the properties? It has very low thermal expansion coefficient. That means it do not break easily. Very hard. Very hard and strong. It also can absorb what? Absorb thermal shock. Okay, it also can absorb. Okay, what is this? Abrasion. Like a shock, vibration, all that. Very strong. Ini adalah dia punya properties, you know. All this is a properties. Aira tahan Properties. Once finish this, chapter 8 finish. Has very low thermal expansion coefficient. That means very strong, very hard, okay? Hard and strong, absorb thermal shock, abrasion. Okay? Okay, dalam exam, they show you this one. Hey, what is this? Huh? Hey, cutting tools lah. You can cut the metal, all that. Okay, one more. They show you this one. Hey, Abhishek, why? They show what? This one. Break this. This two is made up of what? Anyone? Y'all put what? Silicon. Okay, silicon carbide. Silicon carbide. Formula SiC. Only 3, I want you to remember 3 only. Okay, what is the properties if they ask in the exam? Anyone? Properties, y'all put what? Absorb thermal shock. Okay, has very low what? Thermal expansion coefficient. Atas ada jawapan. So number 1, sudah hafal. Cutting tools, break this. Okay? Okay, last one. 3 more minutes. Hey, Faris. Faris join, no. Bawa lah Faris. Bukan Fakis. Faris. Next. Okay. Okay, next one. Number 2. They show you dental implantation. Dalam exam, dia tunjuk gambar gigi. Katakan Amirul dia pergi dental, Amirul punya gigi cantik lah. Abhishek dia pergi. Abhishek also can. Katakan Sam. Sam is here or not? Okay, he went for the exam. Okay, Sam went for the dental. Ini gigi kan? Gigi palsu. Okay, Sam went for the dental implantation. Crowning, dental crowning. Okay, this is made up of what? Your answer, zirconia. Okay, zirconia ceramic. Ceramic. Huh? The one different. The one is tungsten carbide. Diamond cutting ring. Okay, zirconia ceramic. Hey, after they give this, they ask you to remember zirconia. CO, right? Why? Zirconia ceramic. Okay, what is the properties? Why you can use to make a artificial teeth, you know? Why? If they ask, hey, you pasang dalam gigi, you makan semua kan? Ada tak dia akan bagi any chemical reaction? No, right? So you put what? Chemically inert. 1 mark. And number 2, it is hard and strong. Okay, and number 3, do not what? Do not rust. Otherwise, it can cause what? Inflammation in your gigi. Gusi kamu. Okay, can I? Understand? Okay, last one. Then we wrap up the session. Okay, number 3. Y'all draw one diamond. How to draw diamond? Okay, y'all don't know means y'all go to Nitisri house, she will draw. Okay, this is called what? Diamond. Then y'all draw pisau. Okay, this tools, this ceramic is used for diamond cutting. Diamond very hard stone, you know. And this ceramic can use to cut the diamond. Okay, what ceramic anyone is made up of? Okay, we call tungsten carbide. What is the formula of tungsten carbide? WC. Tungsten carbide. Tungsten W. They already named. Okay. Hey, Arvind, you find one element in the name of J. Sampai sekarang tak ada. Where? So in the name of J, there is no element. So in the future, if Abhishek, Arvind, Shwada, you all become a scientist, cari satu element, okay ni. Amirul. After finish SPM, y'all what? Y'all go to Bukit Bandaraya Jungle. Let Amirul do biryani. Huh? No. The word Form 4, I put 3 names. Form 5, I put 4 names. Adi and Man. Nanti dia merajuk. Okay. So any questions so far? Chapter 8? All of you understand? Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye semua dekat rumah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye Amirul.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, tengok dia orang ada macam mana. Dia sudah lari lah. Amirul is here. Amirul.
Bye.
Kau sakit ke?
Sehat je lah, sir.
Sakit ke?
Tak.
Ni apa? Abhishek nak tanya sesuatu dekat you. Kaslah. Kau asal apa?
Saya
Okay,
semua lah, sir.
bye guys. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye ma.